And that's a problem. If I move it over there, where it's dripping right there, it doesn't make any noise. So that's the plan. Just got a few dishes to wash, not too bad. A couple of spoons over here. And a tomato. Yeah, bad one. It's a shame. It had a couple of holes in the top. I don't know if you can see like that. And it was starting to get ripe. I put it in my window thinking that it would, it would ripen up, but no, it was damaged too badly, and that's what happened to it. Yuck. I saw it from this side on the windowsill. That, and it looked good. I picked it up, and that's what the back side looked like. What a shame. Well, so here we go, starting on the inside of the house this morning. I was talking to a friend yesterday about my dishes and the problem that I've had with my hot water heater. I haven't had my hot water heater for a month now. I'm really getting tired of taking bucket baths. But, I am staying clean, and that's the important thing, and I guess I'm living kind of like people used to live before they had hot running water. That hasn't been that long ago, actually, when you think about it. Well, not within our lifetimes, but I'm sure there are still plenty of people all over the world that do not have hot running water. So it's a luxury, and it's a luxury that we've become used to. But talking about washing dishes, now here I am getting ready to wash these dishes, but I can't just come to my sink and turn on the hot water. I have to think about it. I have to go to the stove and put on a pot of water and turn on the heat and wait for the water to boil before I can come back in here to wash the dishes. And then I get busy doing something else, and it may be afternoon before I get these dishes washed, simply because I get distracted. So I'm going to have to make a conscious effort this morning, after I turn this water on and hear the teapot going, that I need to get in here and I need to get these dishes washed, because I cannot stand to have a sink full of dirty dishes. So there you go.